So welcome back to my channel. So Motorola has launched its new Razr phone in India, Razr 50 Ultra in single configuration with 3 color options. It has Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 processor, Android 14 with Hello UI, 6.9-inch 165Hz AMOLED folding display, and 4-inch 165Hz AMOLED cover display. To power all this, it has 4000 mAh battery with 45 watt wired and 15 watt wireless charging. In camera department, it features 50 megapixel primary camera, 50 megapixel telephoto lens and 32 megapixel selfie camera. And it also comes with the IPX8 rating and side mounted fingerprint sensor. In India, it launched with the price tag of 99,999 rupees, and Motorola also offering Moto Bud Plus with this phone. So what's your thoughts on this phone? Tell in the comments. And that's it for this video. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more updates. I'll see you in the next video.